This video of a Rolls Royce getting crushed by a massive rock has roughly 197 million views. Another one, a rusty crane flattens a car, 128 million views. One more, a dump truck rolls over a luxury ride, which is getting roughly 54 million views. The wild part, all these viral videos came from the same Instagram account using just one free AI method. Even crazier, they have only uploaded 54 posts and already have 450,000 followers and are pulling in roughly over $10,000 every single month, all without showing their face, touching a camera, or spending $1. That's when I thought, what if I could clone this exact strategy and show you guys how to do the same thing? So in this video, I'm going to copy their entire system step by step using only free AI tools. So I did some digging. These creators isn't just getting lucky. I checked their page and every video follows the same formula. A luxury car, some massive industrial machines, and a ridiculously realistic crash that hooks you from the very first frame. And here's what shocked me the most. They are not even using real footage. Every single clip is AI generated, from the car to the rock to the environment, all created using 100% free AI tools. Then I found their YouTube channel, same exact videos, and every single shot is hitting millions of views. The page is growing like wildfire and the channel has hit over 80,000 subscribers already. That's when I realized this was not a joke. This is a repeatable system. So I decided to clone it and break down exactly how you can do it too. Now, here is how they are doing it step by step. First, they take screenshots from the viral car crash video, just 2 frames, one before the impact and one during the impact. Then, they paste both frames into ChatGPT and ask it to generate 2 prompts. A highly detailed image prompt to recreate the scene, a video animation prompt to bring that scene into life. The image prompt goes into Leonardo AI, which is 100% free. You choose the new flow state model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate a photorealistic image of the crash scene. Once you've got the image, you head over to Hello AI, upload it, paste in the video animation prompt from ChatGPT, you pick a camera motion, click generate, and boom, it creates a realistic animated clip that looks like something straight out of a Hollywood. No filming, no actor, no money spent, just screenshots, AI, and a smart process. And the best part, you can do all this on your laptop in under 10 minutes. Now that we've got our AI generated video clip, let's turn it into a full-blown viral shot. First, download the animated clip from Hello AI, then open up CapCut. Once you're in, drag your clip onto the timeline. If you have multiple clips, just stack them up in the right order. Now, to make it up, add some smooth transition, click the Effect or Element tab, browse through transitions and drag one between the clip. If you're working with a single scene, no transition needed, just focus on timing. Next, add caption. This keeps viewers hooked, especially when watching on mute. CapCut has an auto caption tool, so use it to fill up the caption. Clean up the text, keep it punchy, then add your branding, a small logo or handle. Keep it subtle but visible. Finally, set your export setting to 1080p by 60 frames per second and download it with no watermark, no cost. Congrats, you just created a first viral AI video from scratch using only free tools. So how do you keep this going without running out of ideas? Simple, let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Just ask, give me 5 viral AI car destruction videos ideas with full prompts for each. Boom, you'll get all detailed image prompts animation instruction, and scene ideas, all ready to copy and paste into Leonardo and Halo AI. Want to switch it up? Try monster trucks, lava pits, collapsing bridge, whatever builds suspension. You're not limited to just one car or one crash. You can scale it into an entire content engine. And because the method is formulaic, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need a plug and play creation. Some creators are uploading 2 to 3 videos a day using this exact system, and they are dominating every platform, both YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Once you get into the rhythm, this becomes stupidly repeatable and super addictive. Now, here's where things get real. You're not just doing this for views, you want to get paid. The creator of the viral page, they're pulling in over $10,000 monthly, and not just from ad revenue. Let's break it down. YouTube Shorts, once they've hit over 1,000 sub and 10 million views in 90 days, boom, monetization kicks in. Digital products, they are selling a $29 AI crash tutorial. If even 400 people buys it, that's over $10,000. Is it not passive income? Cross-platform exposure. Same videos reposted in Instagram, TikTok grow their audience even faster. Even if TikTok doesn't pay much, it drives traffic to their YouTube or your paid products. The key is combining views plus offer. So you're not just chasing clout, you're building a real business. Now let's turn your knowledge into a product. Open Google Doc and write a simple step-by-step guide showing how you made your AI videos, including your prompts, screenshots, tools used, and break down everything down for beginners. Once it's done, save it as a PDF. Next, go to PayHip. It's completely free. Upload your PDF and clean title like how to create viral AI car crash videos, and set a price of $15 to start. For your cover, use Canva, search ebook cover, pick a template and swap it on your own image and text. Upload that to PayHip. Write a short product description and hit publish. Now you've got a real product you can sell 247. And every viral video comes with a sale funnel. Paste the product link in your bio and tell viewers, want to learn this step by step? Grab the link below for the guide. You don't need a camera, you don't need a budget. You just need this strategy and some consistency. Start creating posts daily and drop your guide when you're ready. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more AI growth hacks and for more YouTube automation videos, which I'll be posting on this channel soon. Subscribe and stay safe, guys.